In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today's topic is Speak the Truth. Lying may save you for a moment, but truth will save you forever. A true believer speaks with honesty, even when it's hard. When you tell the truth, Allah supports you. Lies break trust, but truth builds hearts. Rabbul Alameen says in the Holy Quran, وَلَا تَلْبِسُوا الْحَقَّ بِالْبَاطِلِ وَتَكْتُمُوا الْحَقَّ وَأَنْتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ. And do not mix the truth with falsehood or conceal the truth while you know it.